Hello Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 7th to August the 9th reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and please hit the notification bell para po ma-notify po kayo every time na tayo nagre-release po ng bagong video, no? So Capricorn, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Kung hinahanap nyo po dito yung X-Files na segment po natin, readings about exes, doon po siya sa Facebook, ano. So doon nyo na po makikita para hindi po nagkakagulo dito at nag-aaway-away sa YouTube. Ayan. So let's start. Capricorn. So, parang sinasabi mo dito, sabihin natin na nawalan ka na ng tiwala, no? When it comes to people who would love to be with you when it comes to romantic relationship. Kasi parang sa'yo, na-traumatized ka, no? With all the exes, no? Ngayon, but you're not stopping, from welcoming people. Kaso lang ang taas na ng guards mo, no? Of course, dahil nga dito sa mga traumas from the past, you've learned from the best, 'di ba? From the exes. So meron tayong welcome na isang tao ngayon. And nakita natin dito na we're just observing the person. Pero parang nakikita mo, medyo may takot ka sa sarili mo ngayon na, am I falling in love again with a different person? Is this a same game, just a different player? No? So ang doubt mo dito is probably also wala na rin sa ibang tao. Yung doubt mo dito, ano ba, magtatanga-tangahan na naman ba tayo? So parang napapraning tayo sa sarili nating feelings, no? Kasi in the past, parang you've seen this kind of scenario in a different form nga lang, in a different vessel, no? Ibang katawan. Pero ngayon, nakikita mo na naman siya. Hindi mo alam kung seryoso na, kung red flags ba to, no? Ngayon, parang hindi mo rin mapigilan, no, na ma-in love sa tao. Hindi mo mapigilan na mag-progress itong emotion, no, na nararamdaman mo sa kanya. In fact, what I am seeing in here is you're slowly allowing the person to show more what they can, offer to you. Habang inaalaw mo yun, mas lalong nagiging palalim itong emotion. In fact, hindi natin namamalayan, no, nakakapagbitaw na rin tayo ng mga salitang dati nating iniiwasan. Ayan. Or baka kasi iniisip mo dito, hindi na ako may in love uli. You probably promised yourself na hindi na ako magpapaloko uli, no? Eto na, nararamdaman mo, you're returning. Parang this feeling feels familiar, no? Nakakatakot. Natatakot ako. Yun yung nararamdaman. With the Eight of Cups, the Hermit, and the Five of Pentacles. We may be talking about also a past person here, no? Kasi with the Five of Pentacles, this person probably separated from you, na hindi tinuloy itong progression, no, ng relationship or situationship. Probably this person also hurt you before in a different way, no? Eto ba yung sinasabi mo, kala ko nag-mature na ako pero eto na naman yata tayo, no? Kalma lang tayo, self. So there's also some self-talk, no, na ginagawa natin with the Eight of Pentacles and the Moon card. Ayan na nga ang sinasabi natin. The more na mas lalo nating gustong malaman itong taong to, may malaman sa kanya, the more na nagkakaroon tayo ng marami pang tanong. The more na mas lalo tayong naaaning sa sarili. Kumbaga, we're creating our own ghost or monster. With the Eight of Cups, let's also clarify this Page of Cups and the Fool card. Either this person has a reputation of player, no? Pero you're taking chances. Ang hirap ng sitwasyon mo ha. Maski ko parang ang hirap i-explain na gusto kong i-welcome yung tao pero parang ayoko. Nawalan ka ng tiwala sa sarili mong puso. Yun eh. With the King of Cups in here and the Queen of Cups, para kasing ang bilis nating ma-fall. Ang bilis din nating kaya siguro yun yung isa sa mga challenges, no, na kaya natin kinakausap yung sarili natin. Eto na naman po ba tayo, self, no? With the Ace of Cups, the Page of Pentacles, and the Queen of Swords. Meron kasi dito mga bagay na kapag etong si person mismo nag-offer, no, nag-i-initiate, siguro dahil nga din sa trauma, nire-reject mo agad, no? Parang meron kang ngang pause, no? Oy, sandali. Nakita ko na yan dati, hindi na ayokong i-allow, ayokong i-entertain, no? Baka kasi ganito, may reference ka palagi. Ginagawa mong reference palagi yung mga yung mga experience mo sa mga exes with the Seven of Pentacles and the Queen of Wands. Bakit palagi dito nabo-brought up ang mga exes? Lagi dito nabo-brought up. Kaya tuloy ang impression ng tao, mahal mo pa ba yung ex mo? Kasi wala tayong ibang napag-uusapan kundi si ex. Wala tayong ibang napag-uusapan kundi palaging meron tayong, lagi mo akong kinukumpara. I feel offended, no? Siguro sabi dito ni the person. I feel offended kasi lagi mo kinukumpara ako or lagi mo na lang bino-brought up, no? Itong mga nagawa ko in the past. Wala ba akong chance para magbago, no? I feel like you are also missing this feeling, the Knight of Cups and the Three of Pentacles. You're just hoping, praying for, sabihin natin na seryoso, no, itong nararamdaman ni person ngayon sa atin para at least hindi naman tayo madehado, no? Ang nakikita ko dito, either may progression nga itong nararamdaman niya or ibang-iba naman siya doon sa mga past mo. I feel like there is love, no? Sincerity na kaakibat ng kanyang mga intentions or moves sa'yo. Siguro iniisip mo din na it's too early for you to trust the person. Yes, you may be right. There may also be some age gap in here. We may be talking about May-December love affair. It may not be. Pwedeng konti lang din yung age gap, no? Or the maturity, if we're not talking about the numbers, yung maturity. So let's check the emotion. This could be your emotion or your person's emotion. You light up my world, and I've been fighting a battle I can't win. So I think that this refers to your person's emotion. No, you are giving me inspiration, you're the light of my life. Eto na nga, no. Kaso, bakit parang pakiwari ko, ang unfair dahil lagi akong kinukompare sa isang taong hindi ko kilala at never kong nakilala. Tapos, ako ngayon yung nagbibitbit, no, ng kamalian niya. So parang bakit sa akin ang putok, no? Tingnan natin dito ang zodiac sign ni person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Taurus, Pisces, Leo, Virgo, Scorpio, Capricorn. Um, I am seeing Taurus, Cancer. Did I just say Leo? Yup. Pisces are very dominant. Virgo, Capricorn, yes, that's done. Aries is also here. Virgo is also here. Yep, I already mentioned that. Yeah, also Capricorn. So this is your reading. No, Capricorn, baka kapwa Capricorn din, no? For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And Capricorn, kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. No? Kilalang kilala nyo naman yung sarili ninyo. Kung feeling ninyo hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po, nandun po ang ating link ng aking website. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Sa pinakababang baba po, nandun po yung question, your question form. Ibaba nyo pa, nandun po yung information, no? QR codes, how much per question, the name, the number for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it. That's already a discounted price. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa description box. So tuloy pa rin po ang ating manhunt dun sa mga fake accounts. Nandun po yan, no, sa description box. Report the fake accounts, take a screenshot of your report, send it to the designated email para dun po ako kukuha ng lucky winner for our free personal reading. And when I say it's free, it's actually free of charge. No? So, Capricorn, if you still care about your exes, doon po kayo magtingin sa Facebook, no? Babaylan TV. Para hindi po dito nag-aaway-away sa YouTube. At least that's a safe space. Kapag po nag-follow kayo dun sa Facebook, at least alam nyo na lahat kami dito, total, ang pinopost lang naman doon is all about exes. So, safe space yun kasi lahat ng nandoon dealing with the exes, no? So this is your reading again, Capricorn. Love and light to you. Namaste po and see you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.